It's time to replace the battery in your Zoll AED 3 to ensure it is always ready for rescue. Turn the AED over. Slide out the pads to expose where the battery is stored. Squeeze the two sides of the battery to remove. Place the new battery into position and click in place. Place the pads back into place. The Zoll AED 3 will now perform a battery test. Once complete, the green check mark will be visible, confirming the AED is now ready for rescue. Your new battery will be good for 5 years from the date of install. Action First Aid's AED tracking tool Ready for Action will help keep your records up to date. Thank you for doing your part to ensure we all have access to an AED that will be ready to help save a life. For any questions related to your AED or training, please email info@actionfirstaid.ca or give us a call at 705-720-2978.